guys, this is Vogue Diary, and today I will create makeup inspired by the nature. I'm in the middle of the mountains, and this is very exciting because this trip was very unexpected. And let's start creating. As I'm wearing some pink top, I decided to create a very pink makeup, and I want to create this alien effect just landing here in the middle of the mountain. So I think this is going to be very interesting. Let's start. I will make my skin really soft because I didn't sleep well, I didn't sleep much. Natural skin, it becomes sometimes red. I will use Dream Skin SPF by Manli SPF 25. We're having this no red effect skin, like I need to cover my nose because I don't want any like red dots, and I just check up on these things. Things gotta have a mirror because actually I'm like in nature. So now I will add some Camouflage Matte Concealer by Essence. This is kind of very cheap and very basic concealer. This is beautiful. Guys, this is just the whole inspiration. This video is just the whole inspiration. I have no idea. Look at my background. This is amazing. I will just make my eyebrows fixed and they won't be very bright because we don't need it. So I need a mirror. What is my favorite part about makeup? I think mostly the eyes, because my eyes, they become bigger and I just love this crazy effect. I'm a big fan of making the big eyes. So now it's time to become more like an alien. I will be adding the James Charles palette pink. I think it's skip tone. If we speak about my favorite colors, I think my favorite color actually it is pink, but mostly it's too much, like it's a cliche right now, so I don't use pink this much because I don't like when everyone likes the same. I just create what I feel like. So I have a plan on my sketchbook what kind of makeup do I want, so I will be adding pink in a random way. Actually, in my latest Vogue interview I also had like a pink style, but it was very different. It was a kind of a stage makeup, and now I'm in the nature and I'm creating something Vogue Diary style but for the nature. And I will add some purple to highlight the part, like to shape this part. I'm just adding it right here to make this part with the gradient, with a very nice gradient. So I have this style, and then I will just cover my face with some highlighter and finish the lips and add some lenses, and my makeup look is going to be done. So I have this fancy highlighter and I will apply it on my nose. And here. This is very interesting and very strange to create the makeup just here. I'm just so shocked, guys. This is so exciting. I'm adding this City of Flashing Lights pink under my eyes to make my eyes look a little bit brighter. So I'll just do it right now. I'm not lucky with taking my camera to the nature side and like filming some videos, so I hope this time I will be very fast and I will just stop talking mostly and do this pink makeup. Actually, it's raining. Right now it's raining. So the last step was to add the lenses, and my alien look is done. Guys, I'm thankful for watching this video, and right now it's raining. It's magic. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.